In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys how I started selling on Amazon and what I recommend you to do if you want to get started selling on Amazon. Honestly, Amazon is probably one of the best business models you can do when selling and making money online. So with selling on Amazon, what I love about it the most is that you can really scale your business and that you can travel around the world and be making money as well. I'm currently in my hotel here in Thailand. Amazon allows me to just travel where I want to, work remotely. I work about 2 hours a day, but of course it didn't start off like that. I really grew that business, but you're able to travel, go to beautiful countries, visit a bunch of beautiful locations, and make money online. And I'm teaching you guys exactly how to do it step by step on this channel for free. So if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you can. It literally just takes 5 seconds of your time. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you have any questions later on in this video, make sure to hit me up on my social media. If you have any questions, I'll be more than welcome to guide you and teach you as much as I can. So how long have I been selling on Amazon? Currently, at the moment, I've been selling for 5 years. And what I love about it is that every year I notice about 50 to 100% growth in my profits. And that's because I always reinvest in the business and I always pick those right products to start selling on Amazon. You see, when selling on Amazon, you just can't pick any items. You really have to do some research, and there's tools out there that allow you to find exactly how much people are making every day selling on Amazon. You can actually see every listing has data. You can actually see how much they're selling every day or every month. You can see how much revenue they're generating, how much they're paying in fees. And then you just have to check on Alibaba.com if you can source those exact same products. So of course there's a lot more details involved with this, but I'm telling you, if you find that right product and the right category that you really want to get into, this can be a long-term business. Because, you know, Amazon's currently always growing. I mean, it's huge in the US, but I have the opportunity to sell in the UK, in Australia, Dubai, Mexico, Canada, all those countries. It's currently expanding, growing in other ones. It's not as big as I would like, but it's growing, so there's an opportunity there even more in the future. So how much money did I make my first year selling on Amazon? Honestly, I didn't expect much the first year because I was still selling on eBay at that time, which is crazy because talking about it now, I feel like eBay is a little bit historic. Like, nobody shops on eBay. eBay is like the wild west where you buy something and you possibly could get scammed. I mean, that's how I feel now. But I used to sell on eBay and then I moved full-time to Amazon. So I was still selling on eBay my first year, and I did this as a little side project, and honestly it blew up like the first year. So I started my investment. I found the right product to start selling on Amazon. I did that product research where I show you guys in my other videos of exactly how to do it. I did the product research and I was averaging around $300 profit every day off of one product on Amazon. $300 profit for something that I barely did any work, because once you have that product in Amazon's warehouse, Amazon packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. So what I love about Amazon, and you're able to scale that business, is that when you sell a product on Amazon, Amazon packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer, and all you have to really make sure is that your product is competitive compared to all the other products, and that your product is on the first page. And also you need to have a good pricing that, customers, you give value to your customers. It needs to be high quality and it needs to be a very good product. Because even if you find that right product to start selling, and maybe you don't find that right product actually, like let's say you get a very generic product. Let's say, for example, this mouse here, right? If you're selling this exact mouse, there's tons of mouses on Amazon, and nobody's gonna buy your mouse just because it has a logo on it. You need to provide value when selling products on Amazon. I teach you guys all that. But yeah, just giving you guys a heads up. So first year I made around $300. Second year I bumped it up, got 2 more products on my Amazon store, started averaging around $600 profit. On my 5th year, right now, currently on my laptop, I'm showing you guys, I'm averaging around $2,000 profit every day selling on Amazon. And that's because I reinvested in the business. I made it a long-term business that can grow year by year. And what's crazy is that if I keep reinvesting in the business, this number will grow even more next year. So as of right now, you can see $2,000 net profit in the last 7 days, 13,000. And I want to show you guys as of last year, see how much it's been. So let's go to last year, and you're gonna see on custom here, it's gonna be 400, a little bit over $1 million in sales for last year, and the net profit is 420,000, which is it's a crazy number, because honestly I never expected my business to be growing like this. And you can see it's up 400,000 in sales from that previous year, and over 133,000 profit over of the previous year. So that just shows you that how much growth comes with Amazon and selling on Amazon. So when selling on Amazon, it's still worth it? I personally think yes, you should definitely get involved with it and definitely start learning how to sell on Amazon. So with selling on Amazon, what you need to really do is, to break it down as simple as possible, is use this platform. This platform is called Helium 10. And what I like about this platform is that it allows you to see exactly how much people are making on Amazon and how you can find the right product to start selling on Amazon. This exact tool is how I actually found the right products and categories that I wanted to do when selling on Amazon. You simply just go to here, tools, click black box, and what this does is it filters down all the things that people are selling on Amazon, and it shows you an Amazon listing that you can probably get into, a category that's not competitive, that's making money, and that you can pretty much start making money right away. You don't need a big investment either. And what I like about this is that you can do a small review count. You can see how much small little sellers are making, and you can just get involved in that. I have a full video of this, of how to do it, but this is gonna help you find that right product to start selling on Amazon. If you want a full tutorial of Helium 10 product research, I have it in the description down below. It is worth it, guys. So definitely check that out. If you want to start selling on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can. Check out my other videos where I give you guys all the details of how to start selling on Amazon, and detail by detail. I also have a free course for you guys if you want to check that out. You're more than welcome to, and a more advanced course as well. That is also another option for you guys. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions related to selling on Amazon, or you want to get started on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos where I teach you guys step by step. Peace.